Right, welcome back. I'm here with Dani, and she has a wonderful trick to staying this stylish while on vacation and fitting everything in your carry-on. Dani, how do you start this process, narrowing down?
First of all, as I was younger and traveling around, I decided it's so much easier to have a light, small suitcase that you can pack in the overhead. So you don't have to be waiting at the airport for your bag to come, or maybe getting your bag lost. Instead, you just zip out your bag from the carry-on, go down. You can start pina coladas while everyone else is waiting for their bags.
Yeah, so how do we do that, though?
Okay, so there's a system. We start with an inspiration piece, and I was shopping for a client and found this vacation mode for her Disney cruise, and I thought, oh my gosh, it's perfect, it's bright, it's happy, it's casual, it's kid-friendly. So we start with an inspiration piece, and ideally it's something with colors. Some kind of a pattern is great, and then we're going to build from that. So we're going to have 5 to 8 simple pieces that are based on the color scheme here. Now this is pretty simple because it's just white and green. But then I found this skirt that goes with it that's got a little bit more color to it. And so we're going to have 3 tops and 2 bottoms that all work with that original inspiration piece. We want them to be basic, like really simple, so that means we don't want a lot of heavy bling or top stitching, rhinestones, things like that, because then they work better together and they actually can become more versatile. Let's see what else. We want everything to be distinctly different. Why? So that you can have lots of different looks. So this is nice because if it cools down in the evening, we've got a 3rd layer piece. If it's warm during the day, we've got, you know, shorts, a skirt, lightweight linen pants is an option. We can wear this as a jacket over our t-shirt.
So layering is key when packing.
Yep.
So you can not only mix all of the shirts with each bottom, but also you can layer on top of each other, and it all works color-wise.
Exactly.
That's genius.
Yeah.
And then you just throw
and then we throw in our swimming suit and accessories. So accessories, I've added some scarves just to give a little more style, flair to it. And then shoes. Definitely
so
comfortable shoes.
1 shoe on the plane, and then you have 1 in your bag, so 2 shoes then?
Yeah, I would throw in a pair of flip-flops, sunglasses, you know, underwear, things like that. But
and should you bring
this is good.
1 hat, or do you like?
It depends on how much space you want to have. So if you have a big floppy hat like that, that would be the first thing in your suitcase, and you can maybe roll up the t-shirts and stick them under that, you know, the top of the hat and pack around it. So that's helpful. If you have more room, I would throw in a baseball cap. If you are going on a cruise and luggage is not an issue and you can take this huge suitcase with evening looks every different night, use this as your base foundation, this system, 3 tops, 2 bottoms that all work together, and then go ahead and add some dresses. Some fancy dresses, and then maybe another pair of shoes. But yeah, we've got 7 pieces here, and you can have at least 7 different looks for 7 different days. Excursions, you'd wear your shorts, sneakers. Dressier dinners, you'd wear your nice skirt and sweater. You could get away with a t-shirt and scarf.
So
for a
can you
dinner.
get even more outfits than 7 though? Because I see.
Oh, I'm sure you could. Yeah.
With the layering, you might get up to how many?
At least 10.
Cool.
Yeah, I would say at least 10.
And so you say definitely don't forget the accessories, or is that kind of just optional?
Scarves are great because you can put them in your hair if it's humid and you're having a really bad hair day. Put them in your hair. A ponytail with a cute scarf hanging off is a good look.
Cute.
If it's a bigger scarf, you can use it as a wrap with your swimsuit.
Oh, I like that. And this color scheme, this system, it works for guys too.
Oh, absolutely.
So if they just do maybe their shorts, like a trouser or something, and a pair of pants, just trying to work it out here. And then for the colors, maybe it's like, I don't know what colors go together. Do you get out the color wheel and just choose?
Yes, for this I based it on jewel tones.
Oh, cool.
So starting with that inspiration piece, we've got the emerald green, and so what are some other jewel tones that work well with the emerald green? And so we've got this mustard yellow, navy.
So if people want you to help them with this, where do they go?
StyleByDani.com.
Okay, thank you for this. Now we can have a totally fashionable vacation, but not have to pay for a checked bag. Thanks so much, Dani. What's coming up, Buddha?